Good morning, everybody. I'm Teresa Perrin, and this is my stock market watch list for Thursday, February 2nd, 2023. Please keep in mind, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own DD. Guys, the market is looking so nice today. I think we are going to see a lot of very heavily beat down stocks start to rise as shorts take cover because they know what's coming, and all the signs are in that, at least for now, we appear to be in a bull market. So that is very good for all of you that have made it through the bear market. Congratulations. That is the hardest time to try to learn to trade. However, if you are growing your account and you are making investments, it is the best time to be adding to positions because the wealth that can be created from a bear market is absolutely phenomenal. And if you made it through this far without blowing up your account, guys, congrats. Seriously, this is a huge accomplishment. Let's get into what I have on the watch list. I would highly recommend that everybody keep crypto mining stocks because Bitcoin overnight hit 24,000. I haven't checked it yet this morning. I think last check overnight, it was pulling back. But I believe that we are going to see crypto mining stocks and crypto in general rise, which will really be a good sentiment to the market as well, because there are lots of people invested in those mining stocks that have been just totally beat down. So keep an eye on Mara, Riot, Coin, BKKT, Hut. Gosh, there's so many of them. Whatever your favorite is, I'm sure that in this market it will thrive. Also, keep in mind those meme stocks, those heavily beat up AMC, GME, BlackBerry, Nokia, EXPR, Express, all of those names that previously have rocketed, prior to this horrible bear market we have been in, because I think you're going to see money come back into those plays. All right, let's get started. If you could, smash that like button for me real quick. Also, last night I made a video that showed you what stocks were ripping in the last few minutes of market close. If you liked that content and found that helpful, please let me know, because if people do like it, I can try to do that going forward. If they don't, I won't waste my time. So please comment that below. All right, Mara, like I said in the beginning of the video, crypto mining stocks, huge. Carvana, CVNA. Guys, make no mistake about it. This is in a huge uptrend, and I do believe that you are going to see a short squeeze occur in Carvana. This was trading at high 300s, like 370s, and was beat down all the way to $4 and change. And it's now currently at $15.68 at time of this video. I know it was bouncing into the 16s in pre-market. I strongly feel that you are going to see a flood of shorts trying to take cover. The short interest is 65%, so keep it on your radar. Silvergate. This is the only stock that I found that has more short interest than Carvana. It has 70% short interest. Keep a close eye on this one as well. Again, neither of those I like at this time for long-term investments, but I absolutely love them for the squeeze opportunity that exists. IQ. All right, this I've been calling out for a very long time. We saw a nice 9% move to the upside yesterday. Slight pullback in the early morning, which is completely normal. Watch for a continuation of this move higher. There is not a whole lot of resistance between here and 20s, so I like it. TAL also, guys, it's not on my list this morning, but I really think that that's going to fill the gap to 1960 soon. PLTR. I'm telling you guys, please do not sleep on this. This is definitely a play for AI. And they have earnings coming up in 10 days. I believe that Palantir is very misunderstood and that it is highly undervalued. Please, please, please do some DD on Palantir if you get a chance, because I don't want you to miss out. This is a great price and huge opportunity to own an amazing stock. Tattooed Chef. Again, guys, I'm not sure that at this point in time, this is something you want to own long-term. However, if they start turning things around and decreasing their expenses, their food is amazing for anybody that likes plant-based products. I was a vegetarian in my teen years and absolutely love vegetarian food still, even though I eat meat now. But I really think that Tattoo Chef is a great deal if they can turn things around. So, given the fact that the expenses of food should be coming down as deflation occurs, I think this is something everybody should look at. And also it has a high short interest, so great opportunity for a squeeze play as well. Blue Apron. Finally, guys, in the after hours, we saw a break to the upside. I think Blue Apron may finally get that turnaround. Again, the whole food thing with prices coming down, it's going to help their profit margins incredibly. So it is on my radar. Mullen, M-U-L-N. I am looking at plays right now that have a high short interest. Mullen has a huge following. Guys, I really believe that this can get to $1 naturally in a bull market. So let's see what happens. HTGM. All right, this has started moving in the after hours. This is something that has been on my radar for quite some time, and I really like it. I think there's a lot of opportunity for a move to the upside here. I think it's been beat down hard, and something's causing them to cover. So what is it? I'm honestly not sure, but let's see what happens today. GMBL. All right, this is a sympathy play off of MGAM and MSGM. So I am still watching GMBL. It has been beat down very hard as well, guys. And I think there's a lot of opportunity here if it can move to the upside. Just be mindful that at some point this is likely to have to do a reverse split. When that is, no idea. Haven't done enough DD, and I'm probably not going to. I have a pretty full plate right now, but I like this name for trading at the moment. All right, eBet. Same thing on that MSGM and MGAM sympathy play. I think all these betting stocks, including DraftKings, DKNG, I think there's an SBet. Keep an eye on all of those because you may see some pretty decent moves in them. MGAM, I just told you, and this has been a sympathy to MSGM. It had a huge pullback after a 44.96 move to the upside. It got over $5, and it's pulled back. It may need a day of consolidation, or it could rip higher today. Let's see what happens. Open Door, OPEN. Guys, this stock has been beat down very, very hard, and I think that you're going to see money come into it now that tides have turned, so keep an eye on it. MTTR, another one. At one time, this was trading in the $20 area, and now it's at $3.87. Don't sleep, because I think Matterport is a huge potential to own a great stock at a very discounted price. Fubo, again, another stock that was traded up to $40 that they beat down tremendously. This was under $2 and it's been moving upwards since then. I do believe it breaks 3 today and that it continues to move higher. I really like this company and I think it's a great long-term hold opportunity, and I don't think you're going to find it much cheaper than this. So again, don't sleep on it. Jumia, JMIA. Guys, this is another one that was beat down very, very hard. This is like the Amazon of Africa. So I really like Jumia and think there's a huge long-term potential here, and I don't think you should sleep on this name either. And I haven't looked at the short interest lately, but I'm willing to bet it's extremely high. Lucid, LCID. All right, so Lucid, I told everybody after it had its lovely squeeze on Friday, and you can go back and watch my video, that I do not believe Lucid is done. I felt it needed time to cool off, consolidate, which it's done. Yesterday, I said I'd love to see this break 12 before close. It did. It pulled back. That's okay. I expect today we see Lucid move even higher, and I think it's going to retest the highs of Friday. Maybe not today, but I think it's retesting the highs of Friday very soon, just to be clear. All right, so BKKT, again, this is on the crypto mining stocks. Guys, this one has been beat down very, very hard. It's squeezed in the past, and I see a huge opportunity in BKKT. I really like this name. I suggest you take a look at it. Carvana. Gosh, I think I already said this. Hold on. Yes, I did. Apologies. I just really like Carvana, can you tell? Wish, W-I-S-H. All right, another one. This was brought to people's attention back a couple years ago by Zach Morris and his lovely crew, and it's been beat down ever since. to the point of being under 50 cents. Well, it's starting to make a comeback. As you can see, it's up 17.77%. Congrats to those who followed my call out on this. Guys, this one I think is going to rip to massive upside any day now. So I do believe it's getting back above $1 naturally, and I think you're going to see a very nice move. So keep Wish on your watch list. Pinterest. All right. Meta had earnings after hours and announced a share buyback and is absolutely tearing it up. Like, it is up like $30 in the after hours and just got a $220 price target increase. Well, I have that on the screen. I'll show you. And I strongly feel that this is going to continue to move higher towards that 220 PT increase. It was trading at over $400 at one time, and look where it's at. It's more than halved, and that's coming back from under $100 in like a 2-month time frame, maybe 3. Guys, this is an absolutely great company, still in my opinion very undervalued at $183, but I believe you're going to see sympathy plays in pins, and I also feel that Meta and pins are great plays on TikTok potentially getting banned, because I know that DC is working on that. So if that happens, you better believe that they're going to go somewhere else. And where are they going to go? Pinterest, Meta, maybe Google for YouTube shorts, but there's going to be a much bigger market in both of these names. Snap got crushed after earnings, but I'd keep an eye on that as well, because I don't think that's gone by any means. I mean, I know my daughter, she's 19, and her friends are snapping all day long. So GNS, absolutely killing it in the pre-market, guys. Another catalyst came out, I believe, overnight, so keep an eye on that. I think Roger Hamilton's playing this extremely well, and good for him for fighting these naked short sellers. But don't sleep on GNS either. Top gainers: TENX, ZVSA, BPTS, LCI, RMTI. Top losers: WULF, ONCS, RNAZ, MGAM, HBI. Remember, top losers can turn into top gainers, and vice versa. Top gainers can turn into top losers, and look at that. MGAM was on top gainers yesterday. Now it's top losers. When will it be back to top gainers? We shall see. Most active: ET, Key, KMI, NOG, and BRFS. And technical analysis: Key, BRFS, BAXD, and MET. Guys, please remember to always lock in profits, because those that give it can take it away just as quickly. So when you're trading and you start to feel like it's too good to be true, it probably is. Take it as a sign. There's no reason you can't sell something and buy it back. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.